can be prosecuted for that.
Young man, that food that you want to eat is made for the gods. Young man, what are you saying? Huh? The food have blessed me. Now you want to come and claim it. Young man, huh? So that food belongs to the gods. Return it. No!
Funke! Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi. Jesus is Lord.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Playboys Comedy. Good luck.